robots that try and embody something we wanted the robot to do. So in effect, in all these projects, we sat down and we told the AI using math, here's what we want the robot to do. We want it to clean up microplastics. We want it to scrape leaves out of your eaves. We want you to drive up and down the driveway and shovel snow. We describe the task, what we want the robot to do, but we don't describe what the robot should look like or how it should do whatever it is we want it to do. We describe the task. The AI spins up a virtual world and starts trying out different ideas. It tries out one virtual robot after another, and the AI watches in this virtual world how well or how poorly that robot does at whatever we want the robot to do. The AI discards poorly performing robots, the ones that do a crappy job at whatever we want it to do, and makes randomly modified copies of the surviving virtual robots. What I'm describing in a nutshell is descent with modification. Evolution, that's the evolution in evolutionary robotics.